Hello, Mr. Simplify. You again. I have a question for you. What's that? I've been thinking about this acceptance criteria and definition of done. What about those? Are they both same? Some say there is a difference. What's the exact difference, by the way? I'm a little confused. Well, there is a difference, and moreover, the difference is significant. Acceptance criteria are the specific conditions that a user story or feature must meet to be accepted by the customer or the product owner or the end user. They are unique for each user story and define the feature behavior from the end user's perspective. They help you determine if the user story or feature is complete or behaving as expected. They help the development team understand what the customer or the PO expects from the product and how to test it. Okay, I see. And what is definition of done? A definition of done is a set of criteria that a product increment must meet for the team to consider it complete and ready for customers. It is a shared understanding among the team members when product increment is ready for release, even when the increment is large and consists of many items. By clearly defining what done means to the project or a product, an agile team can focus on delivering value with every sprint and minimizing the rework. It helps the development team ensure that they deliver high quality product and meets the standard of quality, performance, security, documentation, everything. But I still don't understand the difference. Well, acceptance criteria are specific to the user story or feature, while definition of done is common to all user stories or features in the product. Acceptance criteria focuses on the functionality and value of the product from the customer's or end user's perspective, while definition of done focuses on whether it is ready to be used by the customer. Hello, an example will help you here. Sure. Let's say you want to bake a chocolate cake for your friend's birthday. Now, the acceptance criteria for your cake could be something like this. The type of flour used, the amount of sugar to be added, it should smell like chocolate, it should taste like chocolate, and it should be decorated with chocolate chips. That's how your friend would expect your cake to be tasted. And how do you test whether the cake meets all these requirements? Defines your acceptance criteria. Okay, I get it. And what would be the definition of done for my cake? The definition of done for your cake would be something like this. The cake has a presentable look. All the ingredients used in the cake has to be edible, including the decorating items. The cake should be nicely packed in a box, and the cake should be checked for any unevenness. Finally, maybe some postcard wish messages signed for your friend on top of the cake. These are the criteria that you need to follow to ensure that you deliver a high quality cake that meets your standards. I see. So acceptance criteria are about what my friend wants from my cake, and definition of done is about how I make the cake and deliver to my friend. For my software, the definition of done may include the user story meets all the acceptance criteria, the PO approves the user story, unit tests are written, executed, and passed. Technical documentation is uploaded by the team on Confluence. There is no regression in the automation testing suite. The code has been peer reviewed. Integration testing performed and compiles. There are deployment notes. End user documentation is available. The code refactoring is completed. So pretty much everything needs to be done in order to ship the product. Exactly. It makes sense now. Thank you. You're welcome. For more such simple information, please follow Simplify with Satya and the Agilemania YouTube channel. Thank you.